Hey guys, it's Angie and we're here to announce my March MAC gift card giveaway winner, and we're going to show you how we do it, and then Brendan's going to announce the winner. So I have everything listed here on random.com or random.org, I mean. And I have everybody's comments, and I'm going to randomize them. I know you can't really see them, it's fuzzy. And then I have down here all of the video response comments. So I'm just going to hit the randomize. So everybody's all shuffled up, and I am going to copy all of these entries. There's a lot of them. We'll see how many it goes to when I get to the bottom. Still going, still going. I think it should be almost done. Okay, so there are 307 entries, and I'm going to copy them and then paste them into classtools.net, and I'm going to do the fruit machine and pick the winner, but Brendan's going to announce it, so I'm just going to go and show you that I'm doing it, but I'm not going to show you who the winner is. I'm going to let him announce that.